So kids, let us mark winds. We are going to mark two winds, winter monsoon and summer monsoon. So we will start first with winter monsoon. Now there are two areas in India which get affected by monsoon, by wind during winter. One area is northwestern part of India which gets rainfall from western disturbance. We all know very well western disturbance affect northwestern part of India. So let us mark northwestern part of India gets affected by western disturbance. So your arrowhead of the western disturbance should be directed towards northwestern part of India, where there is Punjab and Haryana. So this wind is called as western disturbance. Now we have one more wind which is blowing in India during this season, which affects Coromandel coast. And that wind is northeast monsoon. So we have to show northeast monsoon hitting Coromandel coast of India. So this wind is called as northeast monsoon winds. So these both the winds are winter monsoon. Western disturbance affecting northwestern part of India. Western disturbance is also called as temperate cyclone. And northeast monsoon wind which is affecting Coromandel coast of India. So summer monsoon we have is southwest monsoon wind. We know very well southwest monsoon wind enter India from Arabian Sea branch and from Bay of Bengal branch. So Arabian Sea branch will hit India from here. So this is southwest monsoon wind, Arabian Sea branch. Now we have Bay of Bengal branch which runs parallel to Coromandel coast, and a part of it goes to Garo Khasi Jaintia and also to from Lower Ganga to Upper Ganga Valley. So these both are southwest monsoon winds, Arabian Sea branch. Arabian Sea branch. And this is southwest monsoon winds, Bay of Bengal branch. Also, one thing important I would like to bring to all of your notice. Sometimes they will be very specific in asking the question. For example, let us say they might say mark a wind bringing rainfall to Kochi. Now we know that Kochi is here. So in that case, you have to make sure that your arrowhead is hitting Kochi. You have to show it touching Kochi. So when the city specification is given and you mark a wind, your wind ka arrowhead should be touching that point which city they have specified.